What's going on, everyone? So I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I'm gonna show you a part that I replaced on my truck. Unfortunately, I could not get it on camera because I actually was broke down and left stranded at a church at my in-laws. And so I was going to drop off tables and stuff, and then my truck just would not crank or fire, I guess you can say. But anyway, so here's what I replaced. Is the negative cable going all the way to the battery and the one that's grounded. So the story is, those of you who have been following my channel, rats have been, they made a home in my truck, and so they just kind of chewed on everything. And at one time, if those of you who remember, they chewed on my wires, and but they had destroyed a lot of wires on my truck, like my headlight, all that good stuff. I had to go and like repair some of that. But here's my old negative cable wire. As you can see, this is what the rat had chewed on. Just chewed it all up. And then over time, that's what was connected to the battery terminal. And it was just, it was done. There was nothing I could do. The wire needed to be replaced, and that's just what I got stuck with. So rat did the damage. All this right here, I'm remodeling my bathroom, me and my wife. So yeah, wish me luck on that. I'm not really good at remodeling stuff, but hey, I'm trying. But yeah, this is all I done. I wish I could have had my camera when I did that. It was really simple. Just take this terminal off, or you can do it right here. And best bet is take the terminal off, then connect it to it, so you won't get popped. But anyway, and then it just runs across, got it zip tied to a wiring harness, and then it the bolt right here is grounded to the engine. I had to shine it up and everything. I still had problems even when I replaced it, the new one. I had to get a battery terminal cleaner and like kind of shine up, get the shiny part on it so it's grounded. And now I don't have any kind of problems whatsoever. My truck starts just like that. So those of you who are following my channel, I thank you for continuing to support me and following my channel. I just want to show y'all a quick thing of what I did to my truck when I was left stranded one day. I know I haven't posted a video in a while on my truck, so I'm just kind of running out of options. So, but anyway, I'll have some new stuff coming soon, hopefully. That, and I've been sick, so I feel better now. But those of you who've been following my channel, thank you. Continue to support me, continue to follow me, and hopefully I'll have another one soon. Y'all have a blessed day.